Hi everybody, welcome to Leaders 500, the Principled Leadership Seminar. This course is a requirement for all graduate students at the Citadel and includes a protection of minors training. So in the summer we have 7-week sessions, so the suggested due dates are a little bit compressed. So my name is Tracy Sigler. I'm the department head for Leadership Studies. Happy to be working with you during this session. A little introduction about me. I've been at the Citadel for 5 years and moved from the business school to the Department of Leadership Studies almost a year ago and took over this class in January. So a little bit about me. Basically each week, because we have 7 weeks, you'll do a module or two. There will be a suggested due date for 1 or 2 modules. As long as you finish the course by the end of the 7 weeks, you are good. This is not public yet or published, but I will send you an announcement and let you know when to look for a link from Safe Colleges. So this is where you will complete your protection of minors training that's required for all students who come through the Citadel to be able to graduate. If you've previously done a darkness to light or some other kind of protection of minors training, you can send me or you can upload a link to your certificate. So if you take this link, you go to the site and you take the training. At the end, it will give you a screen of your completion certificate, and you need to take a screenshot of that and actually submit that. So it's not time yet. You don't have the link yet. I'll let you know when to start looking for the link. Okay, so Principled Leadership, being a Principled Leader seminar. So introduction to the course. So the Citadel is known for and has a mission statement to develop and educate students to become principled leaders in all walks of life. So for graduate students, you don't all have a specific course in leadership or principled leadership. So this is the course that introduces you to the principles of the Citadel. So we want you to be able to understand and use our principled leader framework. Start reflecting on your own leadership, so have an increased understanding of yourself and self-leadership. Engage with others as a principled leadership, and articulate how your values will inform your leadership. So this class is pass-fail, which means if you submit the assignments, if you submit all the assignments, you pass the class. That includes the protection of minors training. And if you don't submit all the assignments, you don't submit the class. It's a 0 credit class. There's no tuition associated with it. It is a graduation requirement that you have to finish, and you should be taking in your first 2 semesters at the Citadel. So the first module provides an introduction and an overview of principled leadership. So you can read through our core values: honor, duty, and respect. And so this course integrates the characteristics of a principled leader into those values that we hold. Basically, in each module, you're going to have 2 assignments that you complete and get graded as pass-fail. And all of your materials are included in the Canvas shell. So you don't have to buy anything, you don't have to go anywhere else to do your learning. Okay, so there are 2 assignments in Module 1. There's 2 assignments in every module. So you read through the materials. Sometimes there's a video, sometimes there's a link. So your first assignment here is an individual assignment, and it is to state your personal definition and understanding of principled leadership. So short paragraph is all you need to do there. You can do more if you want to. And okay, so I realized that I skipped past the assignment 1 for Module 1. So this is a discussion. So each module has 1 discussion and 1 individual post. So your discussion here, assignment 1, there's 3 examples or stories about honor, duty, and respect. So Choose one of those graduates and read their story, and then answer the question, why did you choose that person and what did you learn? You'll come down here to the arrow and click reply, and once you post your reply, again, short paragraph is fine, then you'll be able to see other people's posts, and you should reply to other classmates. Okay, this one says one classmate, so usually one or two classmates. So that is Module 1. Module 2, I'm going to go ahead and take a look at honor. Leading with integrity, humility, and empathy is the topic of Module 2, defining honor. So some good information. So this shell was actually created by an alum of the Citadel who is now a trainer on leadership development, works for the Center for Creative Leadership, and you'll see him earlier in the introduction video. Okay, so Module 2 assignment, we've got a video for you to take a look at. And so here is the discussion board. So following your review of the article and the video, share one thing you've learned with your classmates, and then respond to a couple other posts. Also part of Module 2, Leading with Humility. Here is some materials for learning. Here is the individual assignment. So, based on your review of the materials, answer one of these questions. Where have you experienced instances where someone demonstrated integrity, humility, or empathy? What did it look like? What did it mean? Or, thinking about the challenge living with these values, which is easiest for you and which is more difficult? What might you do to address that which is most challenging? So this is an individual assignment. Only the instructor reads the individual assignment. So my overview for you of modules 1 and 2, because I am going to be out of the country from May 9th until May 20th. So I will have limited access to email. If you have any questions, feel free to email me and I will get back to you when I can. And I'll be back with another introduction video for week 3.